Hello teacher and classmates, my name is Marcos Ka-Tagay. Today I am going to show to you the example of physical and chemical changes. So this is the first example of the physical change. So the example of physical change is folding a paper. So the materials I used are just a paper. So a paper can be folded or unfolded, hence it is an example of physical change. Moreover, no new substance is formed in this process, so it is a physical change. Next example for physical change is breaking an egg. So the materials that I used for breaking an egg is an egg and anything that can break the egg, such as fork or a flat surface. Alright, breaking an egg is a physical change, as no new substance is formed. Only its physical state or appearance changes. So, here is another example for physical change, which is melting an ice cube. So, materials that I used is just an ice cube. As an ice cube melts, its shape changes as it acquires the ability to flow. However, its composition does not change. Melting is an example of a physical change. So now we will discuss about the examples of chemical change. So first example for chemical change is burning a paper. Materials that I used for this example is a piece of paper to burn and a lighter. When we burn a paper, it undergoes the combustion reaction. Burning of paper is considered as a chemical change, as the paper after burning changes into ashes and fumes of gases evolved. So, next example is mixing vinegar and baking soda. So, the materials that I used is vinegar, baking soda, and a glass. So where we can put it and mix. Alright. A chemical reaction is a process in which substances undergo a chemical change to form a different substance. Therefore, mixing vinegar and baking soda will create a chemical reaction because one is an acid and the other is a base. So, mixing vinegar and baking soda will cause as a chemical change. So, this is the last example for the chemical change, which is frying an egg. So the materials that I used is an egg and a cooking stove. No chemical bonds form between the uncurled egg white proteins. When chemical bonds are broken or formed, new particles are created. So, frying an egg is a chemical change. because it results in the formation of new particles. So,